Good afternoon, Upostars. We'll be doing another quick lunch meals today. This series of videos is just to inspire you to shoot with your mom, with your kids, with your husband. No prior preparation is required apart from just keeping ready everything you are about to cook. That's it. So the idea is to just cook and share whatever you do at your homes without any fancy equipment or any fancy preparation. So என்னம்மா பண்ண போறோம் இன்னைக்கு? Okay, we are going to do the முப்பருப்பு கூட்டு which has 3 of everything. சொல்லுங்கம்மா என்ன பண்றதுன்னு?
Oil விட்டுக்கோ.
We are going to add a couple of teaspoons of coconut oil and
ஒரு கப் தண்ணி விட்டுக்கோ. ரொம்ப கெட்டியா இருக்க
கடைசியில் தண்ணி முதல்லயே விடக்கூடாது. She insists I add more water. I'm not going to add more water. She ஒரு கப்பெல்லாம் விட மாட்டேன். அரை கப் கால் கப்பு தான் விடு. எல்லாம் வேகும், நல்லா வேகும். So I'm going to add, okay, let me just listen to her for once. I'm going to add half a cup of water. She wants a nice gravy consistency and wants all the dals to cook. So this is half a cup of water. This is 1 cup of mixed sprouts. You get this easily in almost all the vegetable shops. So this is around half a cup of mixed sprouts, and that's the reason she wanted me to add more water so that to ensure that all these lentils cook. And this is crushed jackfruit seeds. You cannot use whole jackfruit seeds because they won't cook. Thick chunks do not pressure bake very well. So if you are using stuff like this, you either need to chop them or crush them so that they are thin. So this is again half a cup of jackfruit seeds. Spread it a bit. This is quarter cup of yam. Okay, for the starch. Jackfruit seeds are also for the starch. This is for the lentil. The lentils are for the protein. So this makes a wholesome, nutritionally balanced meal. 1 cup of raw banana. Okay, they have discolored a bit. தண்ணியில் வைக்கலையா நீங்க? கலர் கம்மியா இருக்கு.
தண்ணியில போட்டு இப்பதான் படிச்சேன்.
Okay, 1 cup of raw banana, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and this is the spice mix for the கூட்டு. சொல்லுங்க எல்லாம் போட்டுருக்கீங்க. And all this coconuts, dry red chilies, urad dal and hing all roasted and blend together to a paste and to a powder. So you get a nice powder like this. Or you can add a bit of water and convert it into a thick paste. Doesn't matter. She has just made it into a powder and not into a paste. Since we have added more water at the base, this will work. Okay. Some curry leaves. And that's it. Our முப்பருப்பு கூட்டு with 3 different vegetables and 3 different lentils will be ready in 5 minutes. Okay, I'll show you. This is a tadka we'll be adding. This is fried in coconut oil. Coconut oil with mustard, urad dal, curry leaves and dry red chilies. And some hing. Asafoetida. Now, many of you shooting videos are wondering what to do while this cooks. This is going to take us around 5 to 6 minutes. Now, while this cooks, all you need to do is to explain the layering logic, or maybe do other prep, or explain the spice powders or spice mixes you used. Okay? We are going to cook this for around 3 whistles. Or if you're starting, just do nothing, it's okay. Let people wait for 3 minutes. It's not going to. So let me explain each and every stuff which has gone into us. The first step, we had added a bit more water for the simple reason that there are lentils and there are starchy vegetables. So instead of the quarter cup of water, we have added half a cup of water. Then we added a layer of mixed sprouts. Then we added jackfruit, which has been crushed, so that they cook well, because thick chunks do not pressure bake well. Then we added some yam and we added some banana, raw banana. And over that, we added the spice paste. Now, the measures are completely up to you. Take quarter cup of each, quarter cup of coconut, quarter cup of urad dal, 3 or 4 dry red chilies, and some hing. She wants to use slightly more hing in this because the vegetables we have used are bland. They do not have any inherent flavor. So we are going to balance it. This is the only spice we are adding. Apart from chilies, hing and turmeric are the only spice we are adding. So she wanted a bit more hing than usual to infuse the vegetables with some flavor. So blend all the roast these and blend all these together into a nice powder, or you can make it into a thick paste, just doesn't matter. Add it as a top layer and pressure bake them for 3 to 4 whistles. It is that simple. You can choose to dilute it with more water and mix in some tadka, and your kuttu should be done in 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, அடுத்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிடலாமா? அடுத்து என்னன்னு வேறு வச்சுருக்கீங்க?
அலஞ்சு போட வேண்டாம். அப்படி 2 காய்.
ஏம்மா இதே மாதிரி சில்லி சிக்கன் பண்ணலாமா கேட்குறான். அம்மா இப்படி கோவெல்லாம் படக்கூடாது, சொன்னால் தப்பு கிடையாது. என்ன பண்ணலாம் வேண்டாம், சொன்னால் என்னம்மா தப்பு உங்களுக்கு? இதே மெத்தடில் இப்போ வாழைக்காய்க்கு பதில் சில்லி சிக்கன் போடலாமான்னு கேட்குறேன். என்ன பதில் சொல்கிறது? That is something I'm not able to convince her to do. Treat non-vegetarian stuff as just another ingredient is something she flatly refuses to do. She gets worked up every time I mention it. Okay, we are going to do the next one. என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அடுத்து?
இதுதான் நார்த்தங்கா பச்சடி.
We are going to make a puli pachadi with nartanga, which is citron and என்ன எலுமிச்சம்பழமா? வெறும் நார்த்தங்கா. Okay. We have taken 2 citrons, 2 big citrons. This is going to be our next dish. This will be the accompaniment to the kootu. So 2 big citrons, that is roughly around 2 cups. My God, as usual, the smell is very intense. So 2 big cups of citron and after you chop this, mix this with citron as a bitter fruit. So you chop this up, mix it with some salt and leave it overnight. Now this reduces the bitterness. You can also choose to stir fry it, though that will make this dish non-opus. So she has just chopped this in the night, mixed in some salt and left it overnight. And thanni verme enna pannenga? Thanni irukku appadi irukka. Just leave the water. It will drop the water. The salt will draw out the water. Just leave it. Okay, so we are going to let it for one more whistle. 1 or 2 more whistles, because there is no chance of overcooking it. We are using starchy vegetables, we are using lentils, so there is no question of overcooking it. She wants to ensure that they are completely cooked. So the next dish is this. Nartanga pachadi. Okay? Nartanga vella pachadi. So this is going to be a sweet and sour dish. And I'll show you what are the stuff we are going to add. Let this finish. We'll just wait for one more whistle. I'm going to switch it off. It's not necessary to release pressure because there is no chance of a color loss. Okay, I'm going to just let it sit. I'm not going to release pressure because I want to make sure that the starchy vegetables and the jackfruit seeds are well cooked. I'll remove this. Yeah, by the time the prep is done, they should be ready. So this is how you fill up the idle time. Show 2 dishes. While one is cooking, you can talk about the other. There's going to be a pachadi, so I'm going to add a little more oil to start with. This is around 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Okay? And then தண்ணி வேண்டாம், எது கொடுங்க, நார்த்தங்க கொடுங்க. தண்ணி அப்புறம் விட்டுக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் ஆகுது. தண்ணி எது கொடுங்க, நார்த்தங்க கொடுங்க, நல்லா சூப்பராக வேகும். So this is 2 cups of citron. She insists I add a bit of water. I'm not going to do that. விடமாட்டேன். அடுத்து கொடுங்க. Some this is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is around 1.5 spoons. This is a pickle. So we are going to add slightly more salt than usual. This is 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
இது கொஞ்சம் புளி போட்டால் டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும்
And we are,
ஆனால் போட்டால் டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும்
tamarind is completely optional since this is a sour fruit, but tamarind adds another dimension of sourness to the whole thing. So this is completely optional. You can even add de-seeded tamarind.
இது
This is for the bite. There's around 4 green chilies. And she wants to add a bit of sambar powder too, because sambar powder also serves as a binding agent. It binds everything, otherwise you will have the pieces scattered separately. Now a bit of sambar powder has coriander in it, and when mixed with water it just binds everything into a nice thick gravy. This is 1/4 cup of jaggery. This makes it a vella pachadi. Usually sour stuff is paired with some kind of a sweet stuff. So they balance out each other. This 1/4 cup of jaggery.
சாம்பார் போட்டு
And 2 tablespoons of sambar powder. This will also serve as a binding agent. This is completely optional. இது போடுறதுக்கு பதிலா வெறும் தனியா பொடி போடலாம் இல்லையா?
சாம்பார் பொடி போட்டால் மிளகா பொடி போட்டு டேஸ்ட் வரும்
Okay.
அதனால
So she prefers this. This is 2 tablespoons of sambar powder,
பெருங்காயம்
1 teaspoon of hing,
கருவேப்பிலை
some curry leaves.
அவ்வளோ
என்னது?
இறக்கிக்கோ எள்ளு போட்டு கொதிக்க விடக்கூடாது
Now this is a roasted sesame seed powder, black sesame seeds which have been roasted and blended into a powder. She doesn't want to mix it in right now because she says this will make the curry bitter. It'll already be a bit bitter because of the citron, and we can just, since this is roasted and powdered, you can mix it in after you take this out.
இதை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி
Now the pressure is almost settled. I need the lid. I'll just show how this has turned out. We can try this with lemons. எலுமிச்சம்பழம் போட்டு பண்ணலாமா கேட்குறாமா?
நெருஞ்சம்பழம் கசக்கும் இதை விட கசக்கும்
So that is how our kootu is looking. It's nice and dry now. There is a slight bit of charring at the bottom, nothing serious. Okay, my God, the flavor is very intense. Now this is dry, but you can easily fix this by mixing in as much water as you need. Okay,
அரைக்க
mix in as much or as little water as you need to get the consistency you like. This is a nice gravy-like consistency. Just mix in some tadka. So I'll remove this and finish the preparation once this is cooking. So this is a Narthanga Pudi Pachadi. We just layered it. I'm going to let it cook.
இது ஒரு 3-4 வரணும் அது நல்லா வேகணும்
I'm going to cook it for around 3 to 4 whistles.
அதனால தான் கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி ஊற்றி வச்சுக்கணும்
தண்ணியே வேண்டாமா தண்ணிங்கன்னா அப்புறம் கோவம் வந்துடும்.
இதை வந்து தாளிக்கு வந்து
Now
வித்தியாசம்
we'll just mix in the kootu. See? It smells fantastic. This is just an extension of lesson 2. Do not think of this as a complicated curry. We are just doing lesson 2 with a added bit of spice paste on top. That's it. And a mix of vegetables and lentils. So that's a nice thick consistency. Now if you want a thinner consistency, you can always mix in water. கொஞ்சம் விடுறேனே?
வேணும்போது விடாத வேண்டாம்போது விடு இல்லை ஏழுக்கு மேல் தான்
Okay. என்னாச்சு மாற்றி போட்டீங்களா? You didn't realize the camera was on. So this looks pretty good.
இது தாளிப்பு வேற நல்லெண்ணெயில்
This is a different tadka we are going to use for the Narthanga Puli Pachadi. She has used sesame oil in which she has fried mustard, dry red chilies, curry leaves, veranama,
வெந்தயம்
fenugreek, which is important for a pickle.
துவரம்பருப்பு
And she has also added some tuar dal. That is new. That is uncommon. That's not usually used.
போட்டு சாப்பிட்டா
She claims that it adds another layer of flavor to the whole dish. So this is a interesting tadka. Okay. So 2 dishes would be ready in something like 10 to 11 minutes. You can come back home, cook this and eat this, which is what I'm going to do with that. Yeah. So these two complement each other. This is not a spicy curry. This is slightly bland. So to accompany this, we use this. Or you can mix rice with this, and to accompany that, you can use this. So both can serve either as main dishes or as side dishes for each other. That's really flexible, no? They also go equally well with rotis. You can serve both these as side dishes with rotis, or you can serve them with rice, or you can serve this separately as a pickle. Or this alone is a nutritionally balanced meal. If you are cutting down on starches, if you are cutting down on rice or rotis, you can just have this as a meal. I can't wait. The flavor is very, very intense of the puli pachadi. I can't just wait to dig in. So see how simple shooting is. Do not worry about keeping everything spick and span. It's perfectly okay. We just want to see what happens in your kitchen and maybe advise you if you are doing things wrong. This is the best way to share Oppo's recipe. Hello, Silma. So 4 whistles. உங்கள் இது கொடுங்களேன், செல்ஃபோன் கொடுங்களேன், எப்படி மவுண்ட் பண்ணுறது காமிக்கிறேன். 4 whistles are up. I'm going to switch this off, or I'll let it go for 1 more whistle just to make her happy. That's it. It is done. Switch it off. Release the pressure or not. It's completely up to you. Doesn't matter. We are not bothered about the color retention here. There is no chance of overcooking citron, so you can choose to release pressure or not. I'm going to release the pressure so that you can see what has happened. Yeah. He says there is no need to release the pressure. You can let it sit. ஓப்பன் தண்ணி விடு நீங்கள் உள்ள எவ்வளோ தண்ணி இருக்குது பார்க்குறீங்களா? இங்கே வாங்க. எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் தண்ணி ஊற்றுங்கிற பாருங்க எவ்வளோ தண்ணி இருக்குது. இதுக்கு மேலே எதுக்குமா தண்ணி ஊற்றலாம்? இட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி லிக்விடி. இதை எடுத்துக்கலாமா? இதுக்கு வேறு மிக்ஸ் எவ்ரிதிங். It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Mix everything together. எவ்வளோ தண்ணியாக இருக்குது பாருங்க. Now we are going to mix in half a cup of roasted black sesame seed powder. This also adds flavor and also serves as a thickening agent. That smells amazing. Look at the pachadi. My goodness. That's incredible. And the special tadka, which has tuvar dal in it apart from the regular tadka ingredients. There you go. 2 dishes, supposedly complicated dishes, made in something like 10 to 12 minutes, right in front of your eyes with no babysitting. This is what Oppo's is all about, and this is exactly the message we need to send to the world. I can't do it alone. Every one of you has to do it with your cuisines. Do it with your mom, do it with your grandma, do it with your husband or children. Show us what's happening in your kitchens. That is incredibly beautiful. And this is how you mount your phone. Mount it this way, right over the cooking surface, so that the cooking area is completely covered. Let me show you how. Switch on the camera. Okay. And hang on. Put it in the, see? Now choose a height so that your cooking surface and what you want is completely covered. Just figure out a way to mount it horizontally. There are many ways to do that. And the clip mark. So you get holders like this. So you can just fix them over your phone like this and mount it over the cooking surface. These are very cheap. You get this on Amazon. You get mobile holders on Amazon for something like $200. Fix your phone like this. Do not experiment with various other mounts. We have done all the experiments, spent a lot of time. So just get this. This is simple, and clip this to whatever surface is close by. Once you mount it over the cooking surface like this, just click on FB Live and start doing whatever you are doing. Ensure that the surface is you are not obstructed in any way. This is very, very simple. Try this once. The first video is the toughest.
You can't.
So thanks a lot. I'm waiting to see your dishes. I'll start forcing you to do that if you're not going to do it on your own. So get going. You saw Shweta's video. See how brilliantly she has done it. A soup and 2-3 different North Indian curries in something like 10 to 15 minutes. We need to have videos from every single cuisine. And you have to do it. I can't do this. I have no credibility in cooking a Bengali cuisine or Marathi cuisine. I need a Bengali grandmother or a Marathi mom to cook it and show the magic they are creating in their homes. I hope you'll do it. Do so fast and share it with us. Do not worry about people judging you or criticizing you. That's not going to happen. The moths will ensure that it doesn't happen. Okay? All we want to do is to see you cooking. Thank you very much.